Hey, everyone! Are you a student looking for easy ways to make a bit of extra cash using AI? You're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you 8 super simple ways to use AI to earn money. Even if you're a beginner, AI might sound complicated, but it can actually be really easy to use for making money. Let's get started. Number 1, writing help with AI. You know those AI writing tools everyone's talking about, like ChatGPT? You can use them to help people write things. Students, bloggers, or even small businesses might need help with articles, social media posts, or even just emails. You can offer to edit or refine what the AI writes, making it even better. Number 2, AI-powered transcription. There are AI tools that convert audio into text perfect for lectures, interviews, or podcasts. Websites like Otter.ai or Descript make this easy. You can offer transcription services online and make money per hour or per project. Number 3, image generation. AI can now create stunning images in seconds. Websites like DALL-E, Midjourney, or Canva AI can generate graphics for businesses, influencers, and content creators. If you have an eye for design, you can sell AI-generated social media posts, thumbnails, or logos. Number 4, AI voiceovers. You don't need to be a voice actor anymore. AI-powered voice generators like Eleven Labs, Play.ht, or Murph AI let you create professional-sounding voiceovers. You can sell them on Fiverr or Upwork for ads, explicable videos, or audiobooks. Number 5, AI-powered video editing. Video editing is a high-demand skill, and AI tools like Runway ML Descript and Capwing can make it super easy to edit videos automatically. You can offer basic video editing services, captioning, or background removal to content creators. Number 6, AI chatbots. Small businesses need help with customer service, and AI chatbots can handle common questions automatically. Using tools like ChatGPT API or ManyHat, you can help set up chatbots for businesses and charge a fee. Number 7, AI resume writing. Job seekers often struggle with writing resumes and cover letters. With AI tools like ChatGPT and Resume.io, you can help people create professional resumes that land jobs. Offer your services on LinkedIn or freelance sites. Number 8, print on demand with AI. AI can create custom t-shirt designs, stickers, or posters that you can sell on platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, or Etsy. Just use an AI image generator and upload your designs, no upfront cost needed. And remember, if you want to learn more about how to use these AI tools, or if you're looking for guidance on admissions into globally recognized online programs from Indian universities, like to mention NTB&x International, based in Kochi, they're India's top education consultancy, and a registered entity in Kerala, specializing in various distance and online education admissions. What I appreciate about them is that they emphasize direct university payments, ensuring transparency and trust. Plus, they facilitate online studies and online exams, making the entire process streamlined. And importantly, the programs they assist with are globally recognized, which is crucial for things like immigration and attestation. Just a quick note, NTB&x International is a trademark-registered legal entity. To ensure you're connecting with the genuine consultancy, please only reach out through their official website, which is www.edubingsinternational.org, or via their WhatsApp number, +919 447 03283. And there you have it, 8 easy ways to make money using AI, even if you're just starting out. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss more money-making tips.